Innovation and experimenting are her key skills. She is educationist by profession and writer by choice. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Neeta Bhalla, Vice Principal, Vibgyor High School, Lucknow. Ms. Neeta is having 22 years of enriching experience in the field of education. Started her journey as a primary teacher and paved her path to Vice Principal. Ms. Neeta strongly believes in the holistic development of not only students but teachers as well. She is a soft skill trainer for teachers and conduct counseling sessions for students as well. Writing is her passion, and exploring different genres gives a complete satisfaction. Her articles are published in Namaste India and School Times e-magazine. Ms. Neeta is a TED speaker who participated in several talk shows and webinars presenting views on constructivism, growth mindset of educators, SDGs to name a few. Ms. Neeta has been conferred with many awards: Jijal Masaheb International Proud Womania Award 2022, IDYM Global Woman Power 2022, Women's World Record Women Icon Award 2022, Women Dedication International Women Premium Award 2022, IIU The Most Inspiring Woman of the Earth 2022, APDH Association Best Mentor Award 2022.